Hello traders, once again welcome to Wesley Forex Academy. It's your trader speaking, Wesley, the owner of Wesley Forex. If this is your first time on this channel, do not forget to hit the subscribe button. Make sure you turn on your notification bell so when next you upload amazing content, you don't miss out, guys. Alright, so what do I have for you today? I have a powerful system you can actually use to trade VIX. A lot of people have been asking me, guys, Wesley, do you have a system I can use to trade VIX? I'm not really good at price action, so I need a system to help me milk the market, make the volatility down to 5 and all that. Alright, so here it is, guys. Here it is. This system actually works for all volatility pairs, guys. It works for all volatility pairs. It You can use to trade VIX 75, VIX 25, VIX 50, VIX 100, VIX 101S, VIX 25 1S, whatsoever volatility you want to trade, step index, all that, guys. It works for it. So you can see this is the pattern indicator, the candle pattern indicator, and also the zigzag indicator, guys. So how does this indicator work now? We're going to be trading with the trend. We're going to be trading with the trend. That is one. And then most at times, I advise you use it on the 15-minute time frame. Also, you can actually also join it with the 1 hour time frame, depending on the time frame you want to trade, guys. All right. So how does this indicator work now? We're going to be trading with the trend. So you can see that from here, this market has been on an uptrend. So first of all, we're going to look at our zigzag indicator. Here, you can see here, it gave us from a red, from here, it gave us a green, it gave us a buy signal from here. So on seeing this, are we just going to enter for a buy? No. We are also going to look for an indicator from our pattern indicator, guys. We're going to look for a signal from our pattern indicator. So seeing this as the first confirmation, you can also see this as the second confirmation. It gives you a bull cross. Gives you a bull cross. So our entry is going to be here. Our stop loss is going to be here, and the take profit is open to you, guys. Open to you. You can see how this market went up, guys. So just look at the massive buy over here. Tell you that this indicator is powerful. Most times I take profit when I see the indicator giving me a sell signal. What I mean is that look at the zigzag now. You can see it went up here showing a sell coming. Just look at my zigzag here indicator. Look at it here. You can see that it went up trying to give a sell. So this will have been my take profit. For me, when I'm trading this, guys, this will have been my take profit. This will have been my take profit here. So imagine these peaks. And one thing I love about the system is that it gives you a very good risk to reward ratio. You can see that if actually I was risking a $1 here, I was risking it to get over a $20 here, guys. This is over 57 bars, and this is the 15-minute time frame. So we could be holding this trade for a long while, for hours, guys, for almost 5 hours if I'm mistaken, and in deep profit. You can see no more drawbacks and a very good risk to reward ratio. And then you can see that as it gave the sell signal here, it also sold for a while. It gave a sell here, and the market also fell down for a while before it continued the uptrend. So guys, this indicator, you don't really need to do a lot of analysis. Just know your support and your resistance, and then that is you're going to trade perfectly, guys. Going to trade. Lately I've been sending some volatility signals on my channel, and I know some people are going to be like, "Whoa, Wesley loves to trade movement crash. How come he's sending volatility and is also mimicking the market?" Now this is the indicator, guys. This is all you need. Just get the indicator, know how to use it. You understand the indicator. You can see that from here now, guys. It gave a buy signal. You can see from here it gave a buy signal, and then the bull cross confirmed it here. So our entry is going to be somewhere here, and then where do we take profit? When we see our zigzag going up to show a sell. So our take profit is going to be somewhere here, guys. Just imagine this. Now if you're going to check the risk to reward ratio, our entry is going to be here. Our entry is going to be here. Our take profit is going to be here. I'm sorry, our stop loss is going to be here. Our buy entry is going to be here. Then our take profit was here, guys. No, this ain't relevant. This is for the last example. So you can imagine, guys, this is like risking $1 to get over $7. So that is how it works, guys. And then you can actually know how to add positions on your trade. This over here, this first signal over here was our first entry. You can see it also gave us a second entry over here, guys. Also gave us a second entry over here. So we'll have had two positions running in day profit, or any number of positions you want to enter. You can see it actually went in massive profit, guys. So that is how the indicator works. I won't really want to talk too much, but let me take one more example, guys. Just one more example, and then it's done. Let's see. Let's see. All right, perfect, guys. Now, on buying this indicator, you're going to get a PDF on how to understand the pattern indicator. This is the candle pattern indicator, and then this is the zigzag. The zigzag indicator is straightforward. The pattern indicator, it actually uses price, and then you're going to need to understand some things. No much, just to know the candle patterns, and then that's it, guys. It actually gives you the indicator. You don't need to stress yourself cramming a lot of candle patterns and all that. All right, now you can see that from here, the candle pattern gives me an indicator and gives me a signal, and then my zigzag indicator also confirmed it. So from here we're going to have an entry. Now our take profit is going to be here. You can see because of the zigzag indicator. We're just going to take profit here. Then look at the risk to reward ratio. Our stop loss is just going to be above the signal. Our take profit is going to be here. So that was somewhere here. And then our entry was here, guys. Immediately you saw the signal. So you can imagine the risk to reward ratio. This was like risking $1 to get over $4 or $3, guys. This is like risk ratio 1 to 3. So that is how it works, guys. This indicator is powerful. Believe me when I say it's powerful. I use this indicator and it's working for me. I use this indicator for boom and crash also. I use it for volatility. This indicator works on volatility 75. Any volatility pair, or it works on all the volatility. It works on all the volatility, guys. So if you need this indicator, just chat me up, guys. I'm going to tell you the price and all that. Chat me up. It's not costly, guys. If you need the indicator, my contact details is going to be in the box. You can decide to chat me up on WhatsApp or on Telegram. Once you join my channel, I'm the admin over there, Wesley Forex. Just chat me up and then we're going to get to talk about this. So have a nice day, guys. This is one of the best indicators have eventually come across, guys. This is one of the best indicators I've actually come across in terms of trading volatility, because volatility pair doesn't really have a lot of indicators. I've never seen an indicator that is as much profitable as this, guys. This trading system is good. You can assure a 80 90% winning chance, guys. So if you need it, just chat me up and then we get to talk about it. You also need signals in case you don't have a PC to use, but you need signals, guys. Free, good. You're also gonna um get access to our VIP services, guys. So have a nice day, have a peaceful day. Make sure you like and subscribe to this channel. Um, don't forget to hit the subscription button. Don't forget to share to friends. Don't forget to turn on your notification bell. So have a nice day, guys. Have a peaceful day. This is Wesley signing out.